Delving into the intricacies of personality types, INFJ personalities stand out for their remarkable ability to navigate social dynamics with empathy and insight. In this video, we unravel the multifaceted ways INFJ personalities effectively take down egos, fostering authentic connections and promoting a more harmonious social environment. 1. Genuine empathy, a compassionate force. At the heart of INFJ personalities lies a profound and genuine empathy that serves as a compassionate force. This unique trait allows them to connect with others on a deep emotional level, understanding and sharing their feelings. When faced with inflated egos, INFJs use their empathetic prowess to discern the authentic needs and emotions beneath the surface, creating a space for genuine connection. 2. Authenticity detectives peeling away facades. INFJs possess a natural inclination to be authenticity detectives. Gifted with intuition, they can see through pretense and detect when someone is putting on a facade. In the realm of inflated egos, INFJs excel at peeling away the layers of artificiality, revealing the true nature of individuals. This ability to unveil the authenticity beneath the surface contributes to dismantling ego-driven personas. 3. Honest reflection, a commitment to self-exploration. Central to the INFJ approach is a commitment to self-reflection. These individuals are introspective by nature, continuously assessing their own actions and motivations. When confronted with egotism, INFJs often prompt honest reflection in others, encouraging individuals to reconsider their behavior and the impact it has on those around them. This commitment to self-exploration becomes a catalyst for personal growth. 4. Intuitive insights, grasping the unspoken. Harnessing the power of intuition, INFJ personalities have a unique ability to grasp the underlying motives and emotions of those in their social sphere. This intuitive insight becomes a formidable tool when dealing with egos, allowing INFJs to anticipate the consequences of ego-driven actions. Through a nuanced understanding of unspoken cues, they can gently guide individuals toward a more considerate and balanced approach. 5. Compassionate guidance, nurturing growth. Rather than confrontational approaches, INFJ personalities prefer a path of compassionate guidance. Their empathetic nature allows them to offer support without judgment. When faced with egotistical behaviors, INFJs navigate conversations with a gentle touch, fostering personal growth in individuals. This compassionate approach creates an environment conducive to positive change and healthier interpersonal interactions. Exploring the impact, INFJs in social landscapes. The impact of INFJ personalities in social landscapes is profound. By embodying these 5 qualities, genuine empathy, authenticity detection, honest reflection, intuitive insights, and compassionate guidance, they naturally steer social interactions toward authenticity and meaningful connections. INFJs play a crucial role in creating environments where egos deflate and individuals can thrive through genuine and considerate interactions. The power of INFJ personalities lies in their unique combination of qualities that naturally counteract inflated egos. Through their empathetic approach, authenticity discernment, commitment to self-reflection, intuitive insights, and compassionate guidance, INFJs contribute to fostering a more interconnected and understanding society.